Thanks to all my lovely friends. As we all know that today it is a day of Friday, and today you all are going to take participate in this conversation. Today I have no words regarding this a speech now. Only we have to take participate in conversation. I think East and West conversation class is the best. Why should I learn to do my spoken? That's why I want to give my point regarding topic. It has been said many mind, many thought. God has given us 5 fingers, all fingers are not same. It's my personal view regarding is money everything. I think money is not everything, and I can prove. Yes. Money is the only thing by which I can purchase something, I can buy something, but not everything. Money is a requirement, but not all things. Money is that thing by which I can give not a happiness anyone. By the help of money, I can make our personality bright. I can be a good man in our society, because it has been said big gun. Every people they want to become a big gun, but I don't want. I want to say to all my mega my friends, it has been said a very famous slogan, इतना साईं दीजिए जिसमें कुछ समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साधु भूखा ना जाए. That means I have need such much as much money that I require. Because if you will be earn night and a lots of money, you will have to face a lots of problem also. You can take the example of big gun, like a very Bahubali people, they have a lots of money, but they have no happiness. But if you can take the example of poor people, they are poor, they know, mentality they have said that I am poor, but they are the happier compared to the big gun. But here question is that, in this time if we want to get a smart education, if I want to purchase costly dress, what I wish, without money it is impossible. In this time every relations are depend on money. Without money no one can, you can never be respected everywhere. If you have money in your pocket, every people are ready to make friendship with you. But if you don't have money, nobody is ready to make friendship with you. This is the power of money. Now what do you think about the power of money? It means that some person, suppose I am poor, I have never mistake with her and she will complain. Then I will have to face a lot of problem in court, and I will have to face a lot of problem, and people can be always denied and be tortured by those people, they have a power of money. But I want to say that there is a very famous proverb, it has been said, might is right. Might is right means what? A person, they have 1 rate, 2 rate, 5 rate. Every miscorruption has been done by him, but government is not going to take action. It's my open challenge. What do you think about that? Because they have a money power. I want to take the example of 5 example. Munna Shukla, Suraj Bhan Singh, Anand Singh, Rama Singh and Bablu Singh. These are the Bahubalis of Bihar, and you can find they have a lots of money and they have a lots of cases, but our government is not going to take action. What do you think about our CM? What he said that I will be take revenge for everyone, but it only he is going to throw